In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up daily reminders in Monday.com so you never miss an important task, deadline, or follow-up again. Whether you want a reminder at the same time every single day or automatic daily reminders based on task due dates, I'll walk you through both methods step by step. By the end of this video, you'll have fully automated daily notifications running inside your board. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Monday.com tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, let's look at how to create a daily time-based reminder. This option is perfect if you want Monday.com to notify you at the same time every day, like a daily check-in reminder at 9 a.m. Start by opening the board where you want the reminder to live. Once you're inside your board, go to the top right corner and click on Automate. This opens up the Automation Center where you can create custom workflows. Next, click on Create Custom Automation. This allows you to build a reminder that fits exactly what you need. In the automation recipes, look for the one that says, "Every day at 9 a.m., notify someone." Go ahead and select that recipe. Now you can customize it. First, set the exact time you want the reminder to be sent. You're not limited to 9 a.m. You can change it to any time that works for you, whether that's early morning, midday, or late afternoon. After setting the time, choose who should receive the notification. You can notify yourself, a specific team member, an entire team, or even use a people column if your board is structured that way. This is especially useful if different people are responsible for different tasks. Next, customize the message. For example, you could write something like daily check-in reminder or review today's priorities. Make the message clear so when the notification pops up, you immediately know what action to take. Once everything looks good, click Add to Board. And that's it. Your daily time-based reminder is now active and will trigger automatically every single day at the time you selected. Now let's move on to the second method, daily reminders based on due dates. This is ideal if you want reminders tied to specific tasks and you want to keep getting notified every day until the task is marked as done. First, make sure your board has a date column. If it doesn't, click the plus icon to add a new column and select date. This is essential because the automation needs a date reference. Next, click on Automate again in the top right corner of your board. This time you have a couple of powerful options. One option is the recipe that says, "Every day and only if status is not done, notify someone." This is extremely useful for ongoing tasks. Select this recipe, then choose the appropriate status column and set the condition to not done. After that, select the people column or the person who should receive the reminder. This setup will send a daily notification as long as the task remains incomplete. The moment the status changes to done, the reminders automatically stop. That means no manual follow-up and no unnecessary notifications once the work is finished. Alternatively, you can choose the recipe that says, "When date arrives, notify someone." This option sends a notification on the exact due date assigned in the date column. Simply select the date column, choose who should be notified, customize your message, and save the automation. After configuring your preferred option, click Save or Add to Board to activate it. From now on, Monday.com will handle the reminders automatically in the background. And that's how you set up daily reminders in Monday.com, using both time-based and due date-based automations. These small automations can make a huge difference in staying organized, improving accountability, and making sure nothing slips through the cracks. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more Monday.com productivity tips and step-by-step software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.